Hello kids, hope you all are doing fine. Today in our English grammar class, we will learn about parts of a sentence. We all know what is a sentence. In our previous chapter, we read about that. A group of words, when arranged in a meaningful order and makes complete sense, is called a sentence. I hope that is clear to you now. Let us move further and know about the parts of a sentence. There are two parts of a sentence. One is the subject and the other one is predicate. We name some person or thing when we write a sentence. This naming part of the sentence is called subject. Subject is basically the doer of the action. It may be a noun or a pronoun. Let me give you an example and then you will understand about a subject even better. Manish is reading. In the following sentence, our subject is the one who is performing the task. And in this sentence, Manish is the one who is performing the task and the task is reading. So our subject will be Manish. So basically, a word or a group of words about which something is said is called the subject of the sentence. I hope now you all understood what is a subject. The second part of a sentence is a predicate. A predicate is the one which says something about the subject in the sentence. What is said about the subject in the sentence is called a predicate. For example, the same sentence that we took before was Manish is reading. In this sentence, Manish was our subject. The rest of the part of the sentence which is telling us what Manish is doing is our predicate. So our predicate in the following sentence is reading. Manish is reading. In this sentence, Manish will be our subject and is reading will be our predicate. Let me give you one more example. A rose smells sweet. In this sentence, a rose will be our subject and smells sweet will be our predicate. Because smells sweet tells us about what rose does and rose is the noun in the sentence, so rose will be our subject. I hope subject and predicate are clear to you now. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.